Welcome to GSR Maths Academy. This is of 7th problem of exercise 8.2. Let us observe question. AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to the BD and AB is equal to X, CD is equal to Y and PQ is given as that. Then prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. Here if you observe the diagram, AB, CD and PQ are perpendicular to the BD. That means if three line segments AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to same line segment BD, then these three will be parallel to each other. These three will be parallel to each other. That means they make 90 degrees. And that means angle B, angle Q and angle D. Both these three are equal to 90 degrees. And they also mention that AB as X, PQ as Z, CD given as Y. Now we need to prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. This is what we require to prove. Let me write what is given. They are given that angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because they mention that these are perpendicular to the BD. As these three are perpendicular to the same line segment BD, I can write that AB is parallel to the PQ is parallel to the CD. Then they also mention that AB length as a X unit, CD length as a Y unit, PQ length as a Z unit. Now we need to prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. This is what we require to prove. So in this, I am going to compare these two triangles, triangle BPQ and triangle BDQ. If you observe this, triangle BPQ, this smaller triangle, and triangle BDC. That means triangle this one. These two triangles I am going to compare. So comparison means what? I am going to prove these two as similar triangles. So to prove these two as similar triangles, what we know? We know that angle B is a common for these both triangles. So angle B is equal to angle B. That means common side. Okay. Angle B is equal to angle B of a common angle. This is a common angle. And we know angle D, angle Q is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. From where we got this is the given that these three are perpendicular to the same line segment BD. So we can write that angle Q is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. That means in the two triangles, two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle. So from the AA similarity of criterion, we can write that triangle BQP is similar to triangle BDC. So if these two are similar, then we know that ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is equal. From that, I can write that BQ by BD is equal to BP by CD. This I suppose as a first equation. From where we got this? Means by using the definition of similar triangle. We know the ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal. From that, I took the ratio of corresponding sides of these two triangles. So I suppose it is the first equation. Next, I am going to compare next two triangles that are triangle DQP and triangle DBA. Triangle DQP, triangle DQP. That means this triangle and triangle DBA. These two triangles I am going to compare. In these two triangles, angle D is common. Angle D is a common angle. Okay, this is a common angle. And angle Q is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degrees. This is they have given. Again, two angles of triangle DQP are respectively equal to two angles of triangle DBA. Then we can write these two triangles are similar by using AA similarity. So, if these two triangles are similar, then we can write a ratio of corresponding sides QD by BD. Okay, QD by BD is equal to PQ by AB. Okay, this I suppose as the second equation. Now, from where we got this equation means by using the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So, again, what I did here means I added equation 1 and equation 2. How to add this equation 1 and equation 2 means we need to add LHS parts and we need to add RHS parts separately. So, LHS we need to add, RHS parts to be added. And adding them, we get an equation that is of BQ by BD plus QD by BD is equal to PQ by CD plus PQ by AB. Now, if you observe this LHS part, in this LHS part, both fractions are having the common denominator as a BD. So, how we are going to add the like terms in the same manner? I am going to write a common denominator BD and I added a numerators as a BQ plus QD is equal to, on taking PQ as a common from RHS, we can write PQ of 1 by CD plus 1 by AB. Now, if you observe this, BQ plus QD gives you BD. That's why BQ plus CD I wrote it as in BD. So, BD by BD is equal to 1 is equal to PQ of CD value we know it as a 1 by y. PQ value, AB value we know it as a 1 by x. So, PQ. Then, from this we can write 1 is equal to z of 1 by y plus 1 by x. And transporting this z to other hand, we can write that 1 by z is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. This is what we require to